Hey guys, this is Mimi channel. Today, we at the car place at the kids thing car place. So we just eating hot chocolate and mom eating coffee, drinking coffee, and I'm drinking
Hot chocolate.
hot chocolate.
We're getting an oil change
We're going over cake
at Toyota.
at Toyota.
Tell them about your friends you just met.
I seen a little baby and a big kid, and they're all cute. 2 kids in here, and there's 3 kids in here. They're already left, so I'm about to leave right now. Right, Mom?
And if we're waiting on our car, and they're taking forever.
They're taking forever, so tomorrow I'm gonna jump on the in a boo, in an egg, in an egg. Mom, you got to go work.
Yeah.
You can't.
I'm waiting on my car.
Mommy,
Uh-huh.
where's TD?
Work.
You see, my hot coffee is better. So look, it's
Don't spill. Go your napkin.
where?